I bet you've never seen this tiny hearing aids before. Hi, my name is Piyush, CEO of Hear.com. Today, I'm going to show you the latest German hearing aids and how they look like when you wear them. Let's get started. If you look at the packaging first, you will see this hearing aid is manufactured by a globally renowned brand, Signia. This is the hearing aid case and it looks exactly like my earphones. Also, this can easily fit into my pocket. Now let's open it up. If you see, it has a very slim hearing aid inside, which is also very light, and it comes in various colors. Let me just wear it and show it to you. It hides perfectly behind my ear so that nobody can notice that I am wearing them. These hearing aids are based on Signia's latest technology. It comes with two processors. One is for sound and second is for surrounding, so that you can hear your surroundings very naturally. Also, these hearing aids comes with incredible rechargeability. All you need to do is put the hearing aids in the case and put it on charge. If you want to try this almost invisible hearing aids, then book a trial in your nearest area now.